Hi there, I'm Carolyn Rolfes, the president of Potter Hill Homes, and with me today is Karen Sackstetter from Sackstetter's Interiors. Hi, Karen.
Hi, Carolyn.
And we are rather enjoying ourselves. You would think that it's happy hour on Friday around here.
Right,
We have
right.
so much fun. We just laugh and
Yeah,
laugh.
we just love all these selections that we get to do.
Yeah, that's right. So we're in City Rama this year, and City Rama is going to be held at Virginia Place in Northside from September the 8th through the 16th. And Karen, we've partnered with Karen Sackstetter this year to decorate our house. The last 2 years in a Citarama and a Homerama, she won us a first place award and a second place award. So we're expecting big things.
That's right. Well, the house is so cute. The living area, the great room, and the kitchen is just, again, I think that's kind of one of your signatures, especially after Homerama. It's just all such a nice party living atmosphere where if you want to have your family come over or just hang out and watch a football game, you got plenty of space. And so the cool part that I think that was the inspiration was our flooring.
Yeah.
And why don't you tell us a little bit about the flooring?
Well, it's a hand-scraped hardwood, and it's sort of a gray color. It's called Misty Gray, and it's a really wide plank. It's a 5-inch wide plank, so it's going to look a little bit like old barn floors, and just really gives that. It's rustic. It's like chic rustic. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not a designer. What's the word?
I don't know, maybe chic rustic. Why not start it? That's right. I mean, it just looks so nice. The carpeting, of course, keeps wanting to fall here. We're just using that in the bedrooms. But how about in the dining room? Are we?
Well, in the dining room, in the foyer, most of the first floor is this plank, but then it goes to carpet in the living room and it's a first floor master bedroom. And so we did go with the carpet in there.
And so the palette's pretty neutral. I mean, with our cabinetry, it's with the black cabinets, with the beautiful flooring. And then as far as colors from Sherwin-Williams, we picked something a little more neutral. So by doing that, it allows us to pick different choices to decorate with and to accent with. And then whoever buys the home, then they'll be able to do that same thing rather than come in and having to totally repaint everything. We have some great granite. I'm sorry.
Yeah, in the kitchen, and there's a little butler's pantry between the dining room and the kitchen. Yeah, the name of the granite is Santana, so it's a little bit lighter. It'll help lighten things up a little bit, but it does have those darker flecks of like the cabinet color. I love the name of the cabinet color. It's called Sarsaparilla, and it's just really fun to say.
Well, we're going to have fun. City Rama, you might as well come visit all of us because it's a good group of home builders. Home Builders Association of Cincinnati, they always put on a nice show.
That's right.
And it's in September. The dates again, Carolyn?
September the 8th through the 16th of 2012. And you can visit www.cincybuilders.com for more information, which is the Cincinnati Home Builders Association website. You can also visit potterhillhomes.com to learn more about City Rama and all of the other beautiful communities in which Potter Hill Homes will build you a house.
And your house is available, right?
Well, we are going to use this house as a model home.
Okay, that's right.
Yes.
Okay.
So we do have additional land available in that area to be able to build a home, but this is going to be a fully decorated model with an office, and so we're looking forward to it.
Well, that's good. I know I can put some goodies in there just for that reason of that beautiful model.
That's right. I can't wait. I absolutely love to see Karen's work, and you know,
it's all good.
We're expecting first place again.
That's right. Why not? Let's just try it.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on.
Thanks, and come on out and see us.